Alright, it should be the simplest of simple videos, but I often need help with simple installations, so that's why I'm filming it. It's the Hepco and Becker Sportrack, and it's to replace the rear seat on my Z900, and then you could attach duffels and luggage, and it's a pretty neat idea. So it looks like you put these little rubber grommets in here. Got 4 of those. 4 screws and a little weather stripping, and that is it. Alright, let's start this one more time. This looks like it should be pretty simple. Little cheat. This guy started. Alright, back to 10 millimeter. One more. Not much to this, huh? emblem on there, make it look nice. Nice little bear. It also has some weather stripping. I want to see how it fits on first before I decide to put the weather stripping on. You know, let's try it out, huh? Oh, there it is. So, now we could strap things to the back, to the sides. Put that little bit of weather stripping in there. Alright, we're gonna add a little bit of this weather stripping. I cut pieces for here, 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 and here. You can see I've given up the gloves. Every time I make one of these videos, I try and use the gloves because I think it looks all professional. And anybody, you all know, you're all probably like, what's he doing, man, with the gloves? Makes it a little bit difficult. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm telling you, I'm gonna keep trying though. I'll put another piece up here. I don't know if that's necessary, but situation out. I'm not very good at getting it in here. That's what she said. Bam! Hepco and Becker done. Oh, this is gonna be great. Double check everything, make sure it's all tight, but so just enough space there. Alright, later for reals.